All right, welcome back, my dear students. Edwin from the future again, giving you another great lecture. On today's lecture, we are going to be learning how to read the file. All right, so we already know how to actually open it, create it, and even write to it. But now we need to know how to read it. So let's actually create a new file right here. And as a matter of fact, we can do it from the writing files file. And let's do a save as, and let's call this reading files. Beautiful. All right, so this is going to be very similar to it, but we're going to have to change the W for an R because that stands for reading, and instead of writing, we're going to do F read right here, and we can save whatever we got from there into a content variable, or into a, you can name it whatever you want. All right, and instead of having this as a second parameter, we're going to have the bytes. And now each of these bytes, each byte equals a character. All right, so make sure that you know that. Put a little comment there so you know. So right now we're going to read 10 bytes out of this document right here. All right, and what we can do is we can right here. I was like, where was I? So what we can do is we can do an echo right here, so that way we can see it on the screen. All right, so that's all we got to do for here for this, to be honest. Let's go here and let's refresh, and we see this. It says reading files. Let's go ahead and try to read that. All right, it says I love PHP. But if I take this and I say I want to read just 2 bytes out of it, which is 2 characters, I come here and refresh, it just reads 1 byte, 1 character. All right, so now you might be asking yourselves, what if you want to read the whole entire file? Well, you can use a function that will give you the file size, and this function name is file size, like this. This is another built-in function, file size. PHP has a whole bunch of nice functions, right? So we can just read the whole file there. And now if we come back here, refresh, we get this. And it doesn't matter, we can write whatever we want. Whatever we want. And it will read it for us, all right? There you go. See that? Beautiful. So this is how you read a file in PHP. All right. Now keep in mind, for those of you that have some type of issue reading this file, make sure that you give the right permission to your files. Sometimes we give the right permission to the folder, and then we have a problem when we are reading the file because that Apache doesn't have permissions to read the file. But everything should work 100%. I already showed you how to go and get the solution for any permission problem. All right. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. It was a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.